And a federal appeals court Tuesday declined to halt the military's practice of force-feeding Guantanamo Bay detainees on a hunger strike. But at the same time, the court said the door would be left open to legal efforts seeking to end the practice. This was all determined by a three-judge panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals in Washington, D.C. The judges refused to ban force-feeding altogether. They said for an immediate injunction, quote, "It is not enough for us to say that force-feeding may cause physical pain, invade bodily integrity, or even implicate petitioners' fundamental individual rights." The judges also said that they could not bar the doctors from following military orders in Guantanamo merely because they might be acting in violation of their medical ethics. However, the appellate court held that the detainees should be allowed a meaningful opportunity to challenge the Guantanamo force-feeding. And in doing so, the court rejected two previous rulings that said the judiciary didn't have jurisdiction in the case. John Eisenberg, a lawyer for Gitmo prisoners, called the ruling a huge win. In a statement to RT, Eisenberg said the ruling, quote, "establishes that the federal courts are authorized to oversee conditions of confinement at Guantanamo Bay and to prohibit abusive conditions and human rights violations there. The decision allows us to continue our challenge to the detainees force-feeding as unconstitutionally abusive, which we intend to do." U.S. authorities are no longer regularly disclosing the number of detainees on hunger strike, but human rights organization Reprieve estimates that 34 men detained in Guantanamo are on hunger strike, half of whom are being force-fed.